Just shot rapidly. I was scared. She had me so scared with that knife.
Welcome back to another episode of To Catch a Criminal. We explore the most shocking and disturbing cases of homicides, violence, and justice. Today, we're diving deep into the trial of Tirrell Edwards, the man now convicted with the fatal demise of Amanda Williams. As a paralegal diving deep into these cases, I make sure to keep my emotions in check to bring you an unbiased perspective. Since October 10, 2023, I've been following the twists and turns of the Amanda Williams case, keeping you all informed along the way. Sometimes, the outcome feels uncertain, leaving us wondering if justice will prevail. But let's be real, a guilty verdict doesn't heal the pain for those left behind. Reading your comments truly inspires me to keep amplifying voices that can no longer speak. And remember, stick around until the end, where I'll provide a detailed analysis of what I believe truly transpired inside Amanda's bedroom in October 2023. Now, onto the case. My take. Tirrell Edwards, driven by rage, tragically silenced Amanda forever. It's like that classic tale of if I can't have you, no one will. Amanda, a thriving entrepreneur, was ready to break free from their toxic relationship for good. But Tirrell, well aware of her intentions, wasn't about to let her go. The chilling details speak volumes. Tirrell's calculated recording of their altercation in hopes of framing it as self-defense.
So Edwards had recorded multiple cell phone videos of himself and Williams arguing in their bedroom, and today in the courtroom, the prosecution played those cell phone videos. Edwards had previously told Warrensville Heights police that he started recording the videos when Williams pulled a knife on him, holding him hostage in their bedroom. He says that when she attacked him with the knife, he shot her several times in self-defense. We're about to play two of those cell videos. The prosecution said that this first video is of Williams holding a knife while arguing with Edwards, putting the knife down and then walking towards her fiance. The next video, they say, is after Williams had grabbed the recording cell phone out of Edwards' hands. You then hear a lot of commotion, and then comes the gunshots.
You gonna stab me?
I'm going to defend myself.
Defend yourself from what?
I'm going to defend myself.
You acting violent? There you go. See? No, you chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out.
You know what?
Chill out. Why are you trying to help me with?
You know what? You know what?
The prosecution next plays the video of the shooting in slow motion and rotated for easier viewing. They stress that in the video, Edwards never asks Williams to put down the knife, never tells her he has a gun, and doesn't warn her that he's going to shoot her. They also say that while Edwards is near the headboard of the bed grabbing the gun from under the mattress, Williams is several feet away towards the foot of the bed and was not near or approaching Edwards.
However, justice prevailed when the jury rendered him guilty of murder and assault on March 4, 2024.
Mr. Edwards, you could please stand. The verdict forms in this case, count one. Verdict reads, we, the jury in this case, being duly impaneled and sworn, do find the defendant, Tirrell Edwards, not guilty of aggravated murder in violation of 2903.01a of the Ohio Revised Code charged in count one of the indictment. It is signed in ink. L12 jurors and the specifications are not completed. Count two, the verdict reads, we, the jury in this case, being duly impaneled and sworn, do find the defendant, Tirrell Edwards, guilty of murder in violation of Revised Code Section 2903.02a of the Ohio Revised Code is charged in count two of the indictment. It is signed in ink by L12 jurors. Pursuant to their directions, the firearm specification... All right. First firearm specification, which reads, we, the jury in this case, having found the defendant guilty of murder, further find and specify that the defendant, Tirrell Edwards, did have a firearm on or about his person or under his control while committing the offense of murder is charged in count two of the indictment. It is signed in ink by L12 jurors. Firearm specification 2 reads, we, the jury in this case, having found defendant guilty of murder, further find and specify that the defendant, Tirrell Edwards, did have a firearm on or about his person or under his control while committing the offense and displayed the firearm, brandished the firearm, indicated he possessed the firearm or used it to facilitate the offense of murder. It's charged in count 2 of the indictment. It is filled out in ink by all 12 jurors. Verdict form for count 3, charge of murder. We, the jury in this case, being duly impaneled and sworn, do find the defendant, Tirrell Edwards, guilty of murder in violation of Revised Code Section 2903.02b of the Ohio Revised Code. It's charged in count 3 of the indictment. It is filled out in ink by all 12 jurors. Furthermore, both of the firearm specifications indicate that he did have a firearm on or about his person or under his control. Verdict form for count 4, felonious assault. We, the jury in this case, being duly impaneled and sworn, do find the defendant, Tirrell Edwards, guilty of felonious assault in violation of Section 2903.11a1 of the Revised Code. Is charged in count 4 of the indictment. It is completed in ink by all 12 jurors, or signed in ink by all 12 jurors. Their further findings is that he did have a firearm on about his person or under his control in both of the specifications, which is also completed in ink. Count 5, charge of felonious assault. We, the jury in this case, being duly impaneled and sworn, do find defendant Tirrell Edwards guilty of felonious assault in violation of Section 2903.11a2 of the Revised Code. Is charged in count 5 of the indictment. It is accurately signed by all 12 jurors in ink, as well as both of the firearm specifications are found that he did have a firearm. Those are signed as well in ink. Finally, count 6, the verdict form reads, we, the jury in this case, being duly impaneled and sworn, do find defendant Tirrell Edwards guilty of domestic violence in violation of Section 2919.25a of the Revised Code. Is charged in count 6 indictment. It is signed in ink by all 12 jurors.
Amanda, cherished as a devoted mother, daughter, sister, and friend, deserved better. Throughout the trial, alarming evidence emerged from cell phone footage, revealing Amanda's desire for Edwards to leave her home to testimonies painting Tirrell as controlling and abusive. Some of the key evidence presented at the trial included cell phone video footage from the night of the fatal incident, which showed Williams and Edwards arguing and Williams saying she wanted to leave him. Edwards' interrogation by the police, in which he gave inconsistent and contradictory statements about what happened.
That's what the defendant told Officer Vidic. I moved my guns so I wouldn't use them.
Correct.
And Detective Curry's asking him about that right now, isn't he?
Yes.
All right, let's listen to the answer.
She got to your car because she was afraid that you might shoot her the way she was acting. I just said I wouldn't put him in the car because she went to reach. She told me, oh, I just sleep with my eye open tonight. So no, I never told the officer that last night.
No, back to Officer Vidic that she told me to sleep with one eye open.
No.
Testimony from the Cuyahoga County medical examiner, who said Williams was struck 6 times, including twice in the back, and that the wounds were not consistent with self-defense. Testimony from Williams' friends and co-workers, who said she was planning to end her relationship with Edwards and that he was abusive and controlling. Testimony from Edwards himself, who said he was scared of Williams and that she lunged at him with a knife after he tried to run away from her.
After 3 days of testimony and looking at evidence, Tirrell Edwards took the stand arguing self-defense.
I just shot rapidly. I was scared. She had me so scared with that knife.
Edwards says he and Amanda had a pretty good relationship before October 9th last year. That's when an argument over phone texts boiled over.
And she's coming out of my closet with a whole bunch of clothes and she's throwing them all over the floor, telling me to get out.
Edwards says he intended to leave, but Amanda grabbed a kitchen knife and held him in their room. Prosecutors didn't buy it.
You just said you were de-escalating by telling her to chill out. Why didn't you de-escalate further by saying, I've got your gun, please stop?
Like I said, I didn't want to shoot her.
Edwards says he got a hold of Amanda's gun as he was trying to get away from her and testified he had only 2 choices, get stabbed or shoot.
I'm trying to run to get away, and that's when she cut me off and she lunged at me with the knife. I had no other choice.
She never knew you had her gun, did she?
I don't believe so, no.
Edwards shot Amanda 6 times and then called 911. Amanda's daughter Tyler heard and ran upstairs.
Why not let Tyler go to her mother and try to help her?
Didn't want Tyler to be traumatized.
Really?
I didn't. She kept trying to get over there. I didn't want her to see her mom like that.
So it was for you to decide.
Before we dive into my perspective on the events of October 9, 2023, I want to emphasize that I'm a paralegal, not a licensed attorney. While I can offer insights into legal procedures and laws, it's important to note that I cannot provide legal advice. This video is intended for educational and entertainment purposes only. Now, let's get into my personal take on what went down. In my view, Tirrell Edwards likely sensed that Amanda was serious about ending their relationship once and for all. It all started with Amanda not responding to a text, which triggered Tirrell's suspicions of her being unfaithful. You know how sometimes we project our own guilt onto others? Well, it's possible that Amanda caught wind of Tirrell's infidelity or simply got fed up with his jealous outbursts. But here's the kicker: we only have one side of the story. I firmly believe that Amanda stood her ground in wanting to leave, and Tirrell, realizing the gig was up, decided to silence her forever. His actions speak volumes, like removing his firearms from the house and leaving only Amanda's weapon behind. Why? Maybe he was afraid that if Amanda saw him with her firearm, she'd try to grab one of his to defend herself. And then there's the recording Tirrell gaslighting her in order to capture Amanda's supposed aggression to justify his actions. But here's where things get fishy. Amanda was unarmed when she reached for the phone, having already set the knife aside. And in the video, Tirrell was at the head of the bed while Amanda stood at the foot, not exactly the ideal setup for a knife lunge, if you ask me. And let's talk about Amanda's daughter. Tirrell wouldn't let her into the bedroom after she called the cops. Why? I believe he didn't want her to see the knife on the ledge. Lo and behold, when they found Amanda, the knife was right beside her. In the end, while we may never know the whole truth, analyzing the evidence paints a pretty clear picture of Tirrell's inconsistencies. As this case unfolds, it's crucial to scrutinize every detail to uncover what really happened that tragic day. Let's keep the conversation going. What are your thoughts on this case? Do you share a different opinion on what happened on October 9, 2023? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more updates and news. Until next time, stay safe and take care.